Hello everyone, if you're getting this no internet found error in Riot Client, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on the Riot Client easily. So don't worry, this error has a very easy solution. What you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here view network connections, and now you're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, it should say Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN here. So just click on your network connection and then click on to change settings of this connection here, or just right click on it and then click properties, and here go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties then, and then click use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS, write here 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate DNS, you're going to write 1.0.0.1. After that, click OK again, and then disable your network device. Wait for 15 to 20 seconds. After that, enable it. And once it's enabled, now you can go ahead and open up your Riot client, and you'll see that your network will work fine and you will not get that no internet found error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.